Alright, so I made a little update to this thing here. You may remember that it's the DIY Dynamo flashlight. I changed out this little battery that was in here. It's a little green battery. I just replaced it with a 3 AAAs. It works much better. Lasts a lot longer. We'll find out when it runs out. And this is the same. Pulley. No, I have no idea what this thing originally went to before I got a hold of it. Does anyone know? If you can look at this thing and tell what it came from, please let me know in the comments. It's got a, if I could zoom in on that. I will try. There you go. Matsushita Electric, co-limited 9-volt DC. And then there's some more numbers. If you know what this thing was originally, please let me know. When I got it, it was just the motor and this pulley, and I added everything else. But it seems to work. And it's fairly bright. And yes, I do have the light on here. There's the video light just above me right here. That's my desk lamp. So that is all. Thanks for watching.